found God on the corner of First and Amistad, where the West was all but one, all alone, smoking his last cigarette. I said, where you been? He said, ask anything. Where were you when everything was falling apart? But all my days were spent by telephone. Never rain. All I needed was a call. It never came to the corner of First and Amistad. Lost and insecure. But in the end, everyone ends up alone, losing her, the only one who's ever known who I am, who I'm not, who I won't be. No way to know how long she will be next to me. Lost and insecure. You found me lying on the floor.